Hello students, numericals on null point is very important for both PU board exam as well as CET. See here there is one question. There are two charges plus 3 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb and minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb are placed 15 centimeter apart. Find the position of the null point along the line joining the charges. Null point means at which resultant potential is 0. What is null point? It is a position at which resultant potential is 0. Okay. The electric potential is 0 at 3 points. One is inside the system, that means in between the two charges. Okay. And another one is outside the system, means outside the charges. So it may be closer to Q1 or it may be closer to Q2. The third point is at infinity. So this is fixed point, infinity. At infinity, potential is 0. So we need to find out the null point inside the system as well as outside the system. So most of the time this question is asked for 5 marks, but this can also asked in competitive exam, so you can easily solve this. Okay. So if the point is inside the system, then how to solve? Let us consider at A, Q1 is placed and at B, Q2 is placed. They are separated by distance R. Okay, R is 15 centimeter. So I'll place null point somewhere here. I don't know what is the position. So let it be at a distance x from Q1. Okay, you can write this P closer to A or closer to B. So let it be at a distance x from A. Now, so total potential at P is V, which is 0, because here it is given that, say, null point means at this point total potential should be 0. Total potential is 0 is possible only if these two charges Q1 and Q2 produces the potential, they are equal and opposite. So V1 minus V2 is 0. Okay. See, V1 is due to positive charge, so let it be plus V1. And V2 is due to negative charge. That's why V1 plus minus V2. So V1 minus V2 0 means V1 should be equal to V2. Now, so we know the relation for V. Electric potential is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is constant. Let it be K. Source charge by the distance. So source charge is Q1 and it is at a distance x from P. Similarly, V2 is constant K, Q2 by R minus x. Okay, so the distance of Q2 from P is, the total distance is R minus x, R minus x. So here constant K cancels, and Q1 and Q2 both are having same power, that also get cancelled. So in CET competitive exam, you start writing from this, keeping this formula in mind. Just substitute only the number, no need of writing this power. Okay. So within 2 steps you will get the answer. Whereas for board paper, you have to write all this formula, substitution, and you will get the number like this. So x is 9 centimeter from Q1. X is a distance of null point, which is 9 centimeter from Q1. Now let us consider second point, which is outside the system. So if point P is outside the system means, so it may be closer to B or closer to A. You can write P somewhere here, or you can also write this side, either left side or right side. So let it be at a distance x from Q2. Okay. Even you can write x is a distance from x is a distance of P from A. So now total potential at P is 0 means V1 is equal to V2. You equate the equation for V1 and V2. So that is constant, and V1 is, see, source by the distance. Source charge is Q1, which is at a distance R plus x from P, right? Similarly, Q2 is at a distance x. So Q2 by x. Cancel the common terms, which is constant cancels as well as powers cancels. Remaining is 3 by 15 plus x is equal to 2 by x. Cross multiplying, we will get this number. X is 30 centimeter from Q2. So with reference to Q1, what is the distance? It is R plus x, which is 45 centimeter. 30 plus 15 is 45 centimeter from Q1. Okay, so electric potential is 0 at 3 points. What are those 3 points? 9, 45 and infinity. So in CET or competitive exams, these 3 points will be mentioned in the options. You need to check first 2 points, right? Infinity is a common point. So like this. And one more thing is, null point is always closer to the smaller charge. Okay, out of these two charges, one is 3 into 10 to the power minus 8, another one is minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 8. So here look at the number 3 and 2. So 2 is smaller charge, so null point is closer to the smaller charge. See, in second, outside the system, where is P? P is at a distance 30 centimeter from Q2 and 45 centimeter from Q1. That means P is closer to B. Okay, and even if you look at the first, so here in inside the system, you will come to know that this point is at a distance 9 centimeter from X, sorry, from A. Total distance is 15 centimeter between A and B, and P is at a distance 9 centimeter from Q1, means the point is closer to B, because see here P is at a distance 9 centimeter, means see here the remaining distance between P and B is 6 centimeter. So the point should be almost closer to P. It is somewhere here, okay. So that this distance is 6 centimeter and this distance is 9 centimeter. Is it clear? So null point is always closer to smaller charge. Okay. Thank you.